What's up, guys? Another video here. A lot of things happening over the last few days. Learning new stuff and stuff. But I pulled out the head and I lost all my videos. I got a new phone. And yeah, I don't think I can save this engine. I thought I can, but nah, I'll show you a clip right now. This cylinder does not move. Like, this one does not move. The third cylinder, I think. And I spin the crankshaft, and only this one moves whenever it's gonna raise up. So it does need a rebuild. I don't know when I'm gonna get another engine, but that's where I'm at right now. Well, guess I gotta wait then. Alright, thanks for guys for watching. I'll just a little update here. But yeah, I'll probably just put all this stuff back. Pull the engine out later. I talked to a guy that was supposed to pick up the engine last week, but I never did. So I'm just gonna, see if I texted him again, see if he replies. So hopefully. Alright, see you guys around.